Hello, 7th grades. I'm going to be introducing you guys on how to use Zoom. So right now I have my screen being recorded so that you guys can see the process for Zoom. And so now we are going to be attempting to use Zoom for two different things. One, for individualized help if you guys need help on your projects, and two, for a group chat, hangout source where the class can kind of meet together and get help and talk to each other. And so the way that you guys will be entering Zoom is I will be posting a link through your Google Classroom. And so I have mine kind of saved as a draft because I don't want you guys accessing it yet. And so what you'll do when it's posted in yours is you will copy and paste that link. And so I'm copying it now, and now I'm going to paste it into my web browser. And so now I'm going to launch the meeting. So I'm going to the site where it automatically pulls up the meeting that I want to join. And so I want to click here, openzoom.us. For some of you guys, I'm working on a Mac right now. And so this could potentially look different on a PC, but let's try opening Zoom here. And so I'm clicking to join the video here. And so you can have two options here. You can join with video or you can join without video. I do recommend if you're getting art help to join with the video so that we can see what you're working with. And so join with video is what I'm pressing. And so right now I'm waiting to be approved by the host. And so I'm going to run over to my phone to approve myself here. Okay, so I just admitted myself. You can see me working at my table here. And for you guys, I'm going to press join with computer audio so that you can be heard. And so when you guys enter Zoom, you are automatically muted. This way, it's not a bunch of chaos and noise when people are entering the meetings. And so, yes, you will be approved to enter your meeting, and this is how you do that. And so right here, you can see that there's options to see the participants. Right here, you can press chat, where you guys can ask questions. One thing with participant is if you have a question, you can raise your hand. And so I just raised my hand. Now I'm going to lower hand. You can also post reactions to what's going on. I'm going to give myself a little clap here. And you can see in this small video right now is where I am speaking from. And so I'm going to close chat real quick and close participants. Let's see, closing chat. Good. So now I'm going to click on a different view. So right now it just shows the view of the other person large. What you can do also is press gallery view to where it can show everyone that's on the chat at that time, both yourself, all the different participants. And so this is just a brief video of how to use Zoom. We can troubleshoot as we go. It's something that I find really helpful. I'm going to be troubleshooting. Yeah, so thanks for listening. I'm going to end my recording. Also, before I do that, if you want to leave the meeting, you can just press leave meeting and allow you to leave the meeting. And so, thanks for listening. I will be addressing questions and keeping you guys updated on when we're going to try this out. Thank you very much.